Hello students, Standard 10th, Maths 2, Chapter number 6, Trigonometry. Myself, Manisha Sangameshwar Kalshetty, MSc B.Ed. सौ ताराबाई शंकरलाल मुथा कन्या प्रशाला चिंचवड. Let's study. First point is trigonometric ratios. Second, trigonometric identities. Third one, angle of elevation. Fourth one, angle of depression. And last, problem based on height and distance. In this chapter, we have to learn these 5 points. Next, let's recall. In 9th standard, we learn about the 3 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Observe this figure. This is the right angle triangle ABC. This is the right angle at B, and this is the angle theta. Then what will be the sin theta? Is equal to theta opposite sides of the theta AB upon hypotenuse AC. Therefore, sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. Okay. Next, cos theta. What is the formula of the cos theta? Adjacent side of theta divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the side opposite to the 90 degree. Therefore, cos theta is equal to BC upon AC. Isn't it? Then tan theta. What is the formula of the tan theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side of the theta is the AB and adjacent side is the BC. Therefore, tan theta is equal to AB upon AC. Next, what is the formula of the sin theta is equal to cos theta? Complete these relations. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Theta is the fill in the blank. This is the answer. What is this equation? This equation is called as the complementary equations because theta plus 90 minus theta are the complementary angles. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Last one, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Next, complete the equation. We know that identities write the value of the trigonometric ratios. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, remember these very important points. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of theta divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Now, in this chapter, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta ratios. What are the formulas of this? Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. This is the theta. This is the right angle triangle ABC. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Next, sec theta is the 1 upon cos theta. Means multiplicative inverse of the cos theta. Next, cot theta is again multiplicative inverse of the tan theta. Therefore, 1 upon tan theta. Again, recall. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Next, remember this. These are the identities and formulas. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Cosec theta into sec theta equal to again 1. And tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Here to remember this, sin theta and cosec theta are multiplicative inverse of each other. Sec theta is the multiplicative inverse of the cos theta. Cot theta is multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Therefore, product of two ratios is 1. Product of two ratios is 1. Product of two ratios is 1. Trigonometry ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and again 60 degree. Ratio 0 degree. We create this table such like that: sin theta, cos theta, after that tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. 0 and 90 degree are close to each other. 30, 60 near 1 and 45 is the last column. Sin theta, how we remember this? See, sin theta, sin 0 is 0, cross again 0, cos 90, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, take only 0 here, tan 0 0, cot 0 not defined, again take 1 here, sec 0 1 and cosec theta not defined. How we remember this? 0 1, take 0 and d means not defined, 1 and d. Proportion must be serial pattern of this must be look like that: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, then see cross here 0 1 1, 0 0 not defined, 1 1 not defined. Now learn sin 91, cos 90 0, tan 90 not defined, cot 90 0, sec 90 not defined, cosec theta 1. We have to remember only this line and automatically we write the 90 ratio: sin 90, cos 90, etc. 30 60 same: sin 30 1 by 2, again here 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, again here root 3 by 2, cross, tan 30 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, cot 30 root 3, here also root 3, sec theta 2 upon root 3, here also 2 upon root 3, cosec 30 2, here also 2. Now we remember this column only, sin 30. Then automatically we write that sin all trigonometry ratios of 60 degree: sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cot theta 1 upon root 3, sec theta 2, cosec theta 2 upon root 3. Then last column is the 45 degree. It's very simple. Sin 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, tan 45 1, cot 45 1, sec 45 degree root 2, cosec theta root 2. Therefore first two are 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. Here tan cot 1 1, sec cosec root 2 root 2. We have remembered to this table properly. It's very important. Next, trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. These are called as trigonometric identities, which we will use in the examples. Thank you for